My dear student, now I am going to explain you the exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. We make it whole square. So, first we multiplying the equation by 2, we get by 2 4x square minus by 2 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square, this we make a square minus, we make this twice ab, 2 into 2a into b, 7 by 2, 2 cancel, 2 into 7 14. So here it is b, so we need b square, so 7 by 2 square minus, it is not here, so we cancel this by subtracting 7 by 2 square, and this plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x, it is become a square minus twice ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, and this one minus 49 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to, we take this that side, then it will be minus 49 by 4 minus 6. So this is equal to, we take LCM 4, 49 minus 4 6 the 24, 29 minus 4 is 25 by 4, this is equal to 25 by 4. So to remove the square, we get here square root 25 by root 4, root 4. So 20x, 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to plus minus root plus minus 5 by 2 whole square, it is whole root, or 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to plus minus 5 by 2. So 2x is equal to 7 by 2 plus minus 5 by 2, or 2x is equal to 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, or 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 2x is equal to 12 by 2, and it is 7 minus 5 by 2. So these two take that side, it will be x is equal to 12 by 4 and 2 by 4. So x is equal to 12 by 4 is 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the roots are 3 and half. And number 2, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiplying by 2, we get 4x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So it is 4x square means 2x whole square plus twice a, 2 into a is 2x into 1 by 2, 2 cancel, it is remain 2x, so it is equal to 2x, it become twice ab, so this is b, so plus 1 by 2 whole square, and this is not there, so we minus it, 1 by 2 whole square, and this minus 8 is minus 8 is equal to 0. So a square plus twice ab plus b square, up to here it becomes a plus b whole square, and this 1 by 2, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 1 by 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So a plus b whole square is equal to 1 by 4, you take that side, it will be plus, and it is also that side, it will be plus. So 2x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 plus 32 by 4, taking LCM. So 2x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 33 by 4. 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus minus whole root 33 by 4. So 2x is equal to plus minus root 33 by root 4 is 2, and this half become minus half. So x is equal to plus minus root 33 minus 1 by 2 into 2. This 2 also came that side. So 2 into 2. Therefore x is equal to plus minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. So the roots are root 33 minus 1 by 4 and minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. Number 3, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again here we multiplying. No need to multiply, it is already 4x square, so we make it a square plus twice into a into b, 2 into 2, 4 into root 3, 4 root 3x. So this root 3 is b, so it is b square, and this to cancel this we write is root 3 square plus this 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus, so this up to here it is a plus b whole thing square. So a plus b whole thing square is equal to root 3 square this minus 3. So a plus b whole square is equal to 3. This is 3 minus 3. So 2x plus root 3 square is 0. So 2x plus 3, it is a plus b whole square. So a plus b into a plus b is equal to 0. Either 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to minus root 3 or x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, or 2x is equal to minus root 3 or x is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, the roots are root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Question number 2. Find the roots by the quadratic of the quadratic equation given in question 1 above by the quadratic formula. On the same above we did the same question we do here using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is minus, so x is equal to minus b plus minus b root b square minus 4ac by twice a. This is the quadratic formula. So solution 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c, it is standard equation of it is standard quadratic equation. So we compare this equation with this equation ax square plus bx plus c and 2x square minus 7x plus 3. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. In place of a there is 2, and in place of b there is minus 7, and in place of c there is 3. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Now putting the value of a, b, c in the this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by twice a, we get x is equal to minus, this minus is minus and b is minus 7, so it is minus 7 plus minus root minus 7 square minus 4ac and by 2 into a. So 7 minus minus plus 7 plus minus 49 minus, it is 24, 7 plus minus 24 minus 20, 29, 20, 49 minus 24 is 25. So 7 root 25 is 5. 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So it becomes 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So 12 by 4 and 2 by 4. So this is 3 and this is 1 by 2. Therefore the roots are 3 and 1 by 2. Number 3. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. Now putting the value of a, b, c in x is equal to this equation formula, we get x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a into b into twice a. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 square minus 4 square, this 4 square into root 3 square is 3 minus 48. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 square 16 into 3 minus 48. Minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 48 minus 48 by 8 is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 8. Our x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. So x is equal to this by this 2 minus root 3 by 2 and this also minus root 3 by 2. The roots are minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Question number 3. Find the roots of the following equations. X equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by x is equal to 3.
X minus 1. X minus x.
X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. It is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. We take LCM x square minus 1 is equal to 3. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. Using quadratic formula, this we get x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 9 plus 4 by 2. X is equal to 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. Therefore, the roots are 3 plus root 13 by 2, 3 minus root 13 by 2.